How to eliminate bad smell in pig pens. Easy tips. Every pig farmer should know. Have you ever walked into your pig pen and been hit by a terrible smell? Bad odor isn't just unpleasant. It can affect your pig's health, attract flies, and even upset your neighbors. The good news is that you can significantly reduce pig pen odor with a few simple management practices. Here's how. 1. Clean the pen daily. The biggest source of bad smell is manure and urine left to build up. Remove manure every day and wash the floors regularly. The longer waste stays in the pen, the more ammonia gas it produces, creating that strong, unpleasant odor. 2. Improve drainage. Standing water mixed with manure creates the perfect environment for foul smells. Make sure your pig pens have a proper slope so wastewater flows easily into a drainage channel or manure collection pit. 3. Keep the pen well ventilated. Fresh air is one of the best natural odor removers. Build your pig house with enough windows or open sides to allow air circulation. Good ventilation also reduces harmful gases like ammonia, keeping your pigs healthier. 4. Use dry bedding or odor absorbers. Adding dry sawdust, rice husks, or wood shavings helps absorb moisture and reduce smells. You can also sprinkle agricultural lime or use safe biological odor control products to minimize ammonia production. A clean, dry, and well-ventilated pig pen doesn't just smell better. It improves pig health, boosts growth, and creates a better working environment for you. Which of these tips are you already using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more practical pig farming tips every week. Happy farming!